February 6, 2008, Wisconsin, Milwaukee, United Heartland Claim Center project. Today there was a big storm here, and they virtually closed down the city. They closed all the schools, shopping malls, offices, and the way I heard it, even some of the highways were closed. And as you can see, I was crazy enough to drive to office and try to do some work, but they even closed our office around noontime, and I had to go back to my hotel. And if you're wondering, yes, I was driving while I was capturing these scenes. Enjoy it.